Hey everyone, this Sega Genesis Model 1 has an issue where the power jack is really loose. When I wiggle the cord, you can see the power comes in and out. So we're going to take this apart and we're going to see if we can resolder that power jack so it stops going in and out when we wiggle it. One of the most annoying parts about working on a Sega Genesis Model 1 is this little LED cable here is a pain to remove. This doesn't want to come free. This side you have to bend these wires and just force them out. I'm not going to do that. We can just disassemble this without even getting into that. Oh, there was literally a piece of paper stuffed in here. What is this? Payday loan record? What? This was stuffed in here. That's hilarious. That's a new one. Let's put that up there with my other weird treasures I've gotten. So next, we're just gonna disassemble the rest of this, and it is filthy and gross. There's so much just fur and everything inside this. Oh, we got some sort of notes up here. I wonder if this, so interesting thing about this unit here is on the bottom, if you look, it says it was actually refurbished by Sega. So I wonder if these notes, oh gross, what came out of this? Ew, things are falling out of this and I don't enjoy it. 218, and then it literally looks like AM, but I don't know. But this might be what they replaced, possibly. I don't know if that number correlates with one of the chips or something. I'm not sure. There's a lot of what appears to be, I'm assuming, some sort of animal fur. Get some of this out of there. This is not my cat's fur. This is not actually my Sega Genesis. This is a friend of mine. Their Sega Genesis. I actually went over to their house and we were talking about games and we put one on. In their Sega Genesis, and I noticed their power jack was really loose, and I was like, oh, I can fix that. So I volunteered to take this so I could fix it for them. And boy, oh boy, is it just filled with animal fur. Okay, so now let's take out these screws. Oh, I did miss one. I forgot, we got a hidden one up front here. There's just so much fuzz in here. I'm just gonna shake that off over a trash can. Fun fact for all of you nerds out there. So there are Sega Genesis Model 1s that are a little more sought after than others because they have a sound chip that people prefer the sound of it. I'm not gonna say it sounds better because people argue over that, but there are people that prefer the sound of a certain one. Now, is this one that has it? No, because it does not say high definition graphics up here. If your Sega Genesis has high definition graphics up here, then there's a good chance. I don't think it's a guarantee. I don't know enough. I'm sure someone knows way more than I do. But if it says high definition graphics, then it's actually one of the early runs of the Sega Genesis Model 1. Later runs, they removed it and they actually changed the sound chip. And then as the Sega Genesis went on, the sound chip got worse and worse, arguably. And then the Model 2 continued to get worse sound chips. And then the Model 3 is a joke, but they look cool, and I have one. I also have one of the high definition graphics ones. I would grab one, but I'm lazy and it's in a pile over there, so just, you can imagine the words high definition graphics, I'm sure. I have a couple of the original models that I need to work on. I just haven't gotten to them because I'm fixing other people's stuff. I never get to work on my own stuff. Okay. So here is our power jack. Can I see any issues? No, it actually looks good too. It actually doesn't look bad. I'm gonna reflow it anyways because we took it apart, and then I guess I'll just blast some contact cleaner in there because I can see some wear in there. Add a little bit of flux. Let me grab some helping hands because I can't really hold this. Oh, these helping hands are obnoxiously big. Okay. Should still be able to see that on camera. All right. Perfect. That looks better. I mean, it didn't look bad to begin with, but it looks even more not bad. So like it didn't look bad before, and now it still doesn't look bad, which is good. All right, I'm gonna put this back together. You don't need to watch me struggle with that. Oh, I forgot, I said I was gonna spray it with some contact cleaner. So let's do that. I have my CRC QD electronic cleaner. I'm just gonna spray that in there. All right, it's all back together now. Let's hit the power switch. Oh, turns right on. Let's wiggle, spin. I'm jostling it. Nothing. Fixed. Perfect. Hope this was entertaining. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff. I don't know where that sticker came from.